Hi everybody, it's Chartsky, and we had lots of break-evens today in the live trading room and all the whip, and so I'll make a shorter video explaining the trades a little. And first of all, this is not an add-on day. Well, it's not technically. We usually don't do add-on days in whippy markets, and we've been doing really good lately. Today is actually 2 days worth of trading, just like I'll explain here in a minute. First of all, we started at 8:30. There were major reports at 8:30, but they turned out to be a dud. So we wound up working 30 minutes or so and got nothing. And that's the way it goes sometimes. The other day we got the daily profit target plus in 5 or 10 minutes after a report. But on a spike we got a break even and a second break even in the euro. And at the same time we got a double position like I showed you how we did the other day in the S&P, and they turned out to be break-evens, and then there was another break-even. So that was 5 break-evens, and we should have known after the way price did after the report that it was going to be a whippy day, and we pretty much did know. So then we moved on to 9 o'clock, and here's where I say it's not an add-on day, but we stayed late. We started out with a 5-tick loss in crude oil, and we came back with a double position after a loss like our rules allow, and we had the daily profit target right then. Now that's the daily profit target for Wednesday. Okay, but I'm not going to be here Friday, so I try and stay or add an afternoon or do something to make up for a day I'm going to miss. And so we kept trading this morning, even though it was whippy. We took that into account in the way we traded. So you can take and mark a line right there in crude oil and right there in the S&P, and everything on the left is for Wednesday and everything on the right is for Friday. Again, not an add-on day because it was a whippy day, but we were trading this morning for Friday's session. Alright, price had come down in the S&P, as you can see by the yellow line. It came back up to an intermediate level of resistance, and then it turned down again. The only reason we didn't sell is because it was 9:30. But then price broke through, so we took a buy. Only we're looking for 4 points, and also in the crude oil price pushed up, we took a buy, and we got a break even in the S&P because there just wasn't any follow through in the whip. And we got a 1-tick trail in crude oil. Again, it was very whippy and hard to get full profit targets. We came back again trying to buy the markets and got more break-evens, and then we took a 10-tick intentional loss in crude oil, and we take those intentional losses so that we save the rest of the loss. In other words, we don't take 20 ticks, we cut it shorter than the 20 ticks. But there's another break even in crude, and as you can tell, its market's pretty whippy. Now on that after that 10-tick loss, we made it back in the S&P and plus a little bit. So now we're up for Friday that we're trading on Wednesday, and we just need another good trade or two to hit the daily profit target. And we got one good 25-tick trade off the bottom in crude, and then that's another one of those double entries like I showed you the technique a little bit the other day, although we do it a little bit different, and we did today a little bit different. And then we got 4 ticks trailing in the S&P. So for Friday's session we had 1 part loser, and then we had 4 winning trades and a bunch of break evens. So we got the daily profit target for Friday today as well. And of course the market's turned on down, but we had our money. We don't want to be greedy. So the winning streak continues, knock on wood. 12 straight profitable trading days in a row. And well, I guess it's 13 if you count today as a double day it was intended to be. But this is what we did today. All the trades we took. There's a lot of trades, but again, that's 2 days worth in the live trading room. Here's the CFTC disclaimer. It's very important, and I urge you to read it. And if you want to learn more about the live trading room or are maybe interested in joining us, please visit my blog at www.chartsky.com And if you have questions, please check out the FAQ page on the blog or send me an email to chartskytrades@gmail.com. Remember, you can be trading with us tomorrow, and thanks for watching.